Now that SmarterStats is installed, let's take a look at how easy it is to get set up and ready to use. As you'll see, getting started is a breeze. All you need to do is walk through the handy Getting Started wizard. The first option here is to add in your licensing information. If you plan on running the free edition of SmarterStats, or if you want to simply try it out for a bit, go ahead and leave this field blank. You can always add in a license key later. Next, you'll need to set up the admin account. Most people just use the default username, but you can enter anything you'd like. Now, this is the system admin account that you're setting up. It'll be used to log into SmarterStats at the overall system level. When you add your first site, that's when you'll create an individual site administrator and any additional users who will have site-level access to SmarterStats. The next step is setting your SmarterLog's path and your time zone. The SmarterLog's directory can be anywhere you'd like, but feel free to use the default path to keep things simple. For the time zone, go ahead and select whatever time zone you're in right now. You'll have the option of overriding this setting later on a site-by-site basis. The final step is setting up your email server. As the text tells you, setting up a mail server allows you to deliver the standard and custom email reports available within SmarterStats. This also is an optional step. You can always add in that mail server information later. Of course, if you run into any issues during the setup process, simply click the handy Help button to view any relevant help pages or knowledge base articles. Once you click Finish, you're ready to start adding in your sites and begin analyzing your website traffic, or even start site tuning your website. So what are you waiting for? Click Begin Setup and let's get going.